Hi. He said, hey, baby. See if I can get him to say it again. Hey, baby. You want to say it for the camera? Oh, try to say it. I think I interrupted him. Yeah. Hi, everyone. That is like my mom's bird. I get more nervous when I have the camera facing me. So I'm super sorry. Just, I guess, showing you guys around. Show you the dog or the bird or whatever. Okay. This is Polly. He can say Polly want a cracker, but I don't know if he'll say it. Polly want a cracker? He told me I love you. I love you too. I love you too. Can I pet you? Probably bite me. Ah, he tried to bite me. Try to bite me. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. I love you. Thank you. Oh, I think my mom's home. Hi! See, he said it to me. He said hi. See. Come here. Oh, he's barking at me now. Sure.
When it gets dark.
Okay.
I want to rest some time.
What are you doing now?
I've been sick.
I love you too. He keeps telling me I love you. I'm sorry about my waist too. Like, I'm still sick today. Hi. I love you too. He always tells me I love you. And like, he admits that he's my boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. Are you my boyfriend? He probably won't say yeah right now. Oh, I don't know what he said. Yeah? Are you my boyfriend?
Do you like it, Mama?
No. He doesn't want to say yes. He doesn't want to admit it. He's probably too shy. Okay, I guess that's enough for the bird because he's not really doing anything interesting.
Y'all should have let her come in here last night. I heard her crying.
Okay, sorry. Keep pausing. Yeah, that's it for the bird. Say bye. Oh, he said I love you. Okay, I guess that's for you guys. He loves you all.